So yeah, basically, right. With that being said, I feel we should learn to use energy to our advantage instead of being manipulated by energy, right? And at the end of the day, when we come to face our fears, once we come to face our insecurities, right, that's when we truly start to live our lives. You feel me? When we let go of fear, doubt, negativity, anything that has to do with low vibration, basically. When we let go of these things, right, that's when we really start to, live our lives. When you're not scared of death, you're not scared of what you're gonna lose. Now your mindset has changed. Now you start to see the positive situation in every event, every circumstance that every situation that happens to you, right? Because your mind is really programmed to see the positive side of things. So with that being said, I feel fear is just low vibration. Yes, we embrace these things and learn how to transmutate it into courage to use it for our advantage. Because the reality we live in is constant fear. Come on, you wake up, you look at the news, you look at social media, you look at your environment, you look at the people around you, right? And that's why as Star says, it's always important, you disconnect from the environment. Once in a while, come to nature, right? Just be around, reconnect with your mind, reconnect with yourself, right? Reconnect with source. Like I told you, once you're connected to source, there's no fear, fear of anything, take conscious control of your mind, take conscious control of your thought process, take conscious control of your emotions, right? We're really blessed, man. Only if we can only if we as chosen ones, we as starseeds, right? Only if we can focus, on our blessings. I feel that's when we truly start to manifest our divinity and our light. I really hope I was able to reach out to, starseed, someone to start acting, in your rights and start acting in your divinity, right? Because the world is ours, we have to believe it and we have to act accordingly. Where this information is coming from, there's more information to come from because I feel like source is eternal, right? I'm going to be dropping more videos, more motivational content, to help you get your mind right, to help us as starseeds, navigate through this matrix and this reality. And you don't want to miss out on this. You want to stay tuned. Now, in the link in the description is a link to my website, Conscious Identity, my brand's website. More information, more knowledge for you to get your mind right, to be able to manifest your dream reality is going to be given to you. Click the link below. My email is in the link. If you feel you need to voice up or say some things, inquiries, just check the link in this description. This matrix is ours. We just have to believe it. Transmutate fear from a low vibration to a high vibration. Live in your divinity, live in your light. We're blessed. Remain blessed, stay blessed. Peace.